At DBS Repair, we believe every home should be healthy, safe, and comfortable. From basement to attics and concrete repair, we help homeowners restore their homes and give them peace of mind. When homeowners call us, it's usually because they're worried. Maybe their basement is leaking, or their foundation is shifting, or their driveway is sinking. Our goal is to take that stress away by providing real solutions that last. We're not just fixing homes, we're helping people feel safe in a place that matters to them most.
We do more than just fix homes. What we do is about improving lives. Everything we do here at DBS, it's about peace of mind, a lasting solution homeowners can depend on. Part of what I like to do and part of what I take pride in is really being informative, showing a homeowner exactly what's going on with their home so they know.
We started DBS Repair in 2012 after we recognized there was a need for a home basement repair company providing wow service with long warranties in our area. I still remember our very first phone call from a customer. Kelsey wrote down the information on an envelope. Now, we've grown to just 5 employees to nearly 100, helping homeowners across Minnesota and Wisconsin.
Our mission at DBS Repair is simple: creating lasting wow relationships with employees and customers while providing permanent home performance solutions.
Here at DBS, we have 3 core values that we use as a company: teamwork, positive, and humble. It's really guide us every single day, especially from production side and working as a team with other disciplines with the company, whether that be logistics and scheduling, or management, or even marketing, whatever it might be.
I started at DBS as a co-foreman, working hands-on in the field. Now I'm leading our metro operations, and it's really incredible to see how much we've grown. At DBS, there's a real opportunity to build a career.
At DBS, we know that we spend a lot of time together, sometimes more than we do with our family at home. Our culture here is fun, safe, and supportive for all employees. We feel that helps our employees feel valued and supported. Here at DBS, we are more than coworkers, we're friends.
I was hired at DBS to receiving my welcoming box, to onboarding, to the first few weeks of working here. I instantly felt a part of a team. What I love most about working here at DBS is that teamwork. That we're all one team, we all have the same goal at the end of the day, we all help each other out where it's needed to be helped, and we just support each other.
At DBS, we don't just repair homes, we change lives. When we help a homeowner solve a basement, foundation, attic, or concrete issue, we give them peace of mind and security for the future.